Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot AT&T payphone, and this is Bill's telephone from West Virginia. And this telephone is in very good condition. He's got a couple of really nice informational cards here, and we'll do some still pictures of this telephone. So Bill doesn't have his T key or the body key or the vault key, and so we have to take those locks out, and we also have to get him a T key. Now we're not going to go with any locks on the body or the vault because he's just going to go with a T key, and you wouldn't be able to get into this telephone without a T key, and not too many people carry around a T key. So we're not going to do any locks on this telephone, but we're going to do a conversion on it for home use. And so the money will drop through and drop into the vault area, and you'll be able to use it and plug it right in. We're going to go ahead and install a modular port so that Bill can simply walk up to this telephone and plug any line cord, any color, any length. So it makes it for a nice, clean, easy, simple connection. And we have to get into the telephone to know what's in it because the locks are locked, and so we'll have to remove the locks, and then we can kind of go from there. So we'll get some more video of this telephone as we move along in the repair and conversion of it, and we'll take a short break and get a start on this telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we have gained access to this telephone. We have taken both locks out, the body lock and the vault lock, and so now what we need to do is remove this programmable board. It's of no use to us, and there's nothing that you can do with it. We're going to have to rewire a keypad into this telephone, or use this keypad and wire it to a tone generator. So there's going to be a lot of work here, removing parts and installing the equipment that we need to make this telephone work the way we want it to work. We also have to install a modular port for the line cord, and this telephone does not have a bell in it. So we need to install a bell. There must have been like an electronic ringer or something like that with this programmable board, but we cannot use a programmable board because if you glitch the board and it works for a little while, it'll just go out later. So what we need to do is take all of that out and install everything that we need to make this telephone work. So we're going to take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair and conversion of this payphone. And we're going to run through a little bit about what went on with this payphone. We went ahead and installed a dual modular line port inside the base of the unit, and you would simply bring in any line cord, any length, any color, and plug into one side of it. We also have another connection that is to the front panel of the telephone, and when you hang the base and install that, then you can walk up with your front panel and simply plug right in to the modular port, and it makes for a simple, clean connection. And so now everything is ready to go, and you would put your front panel on. We've also taken the locks out of the vault and out of the body, and so we're just going to go with a T key, and that would be the only thing you would need to get into this telephone. We also had to install a bell. These payphones don't have bells in them. Some do, but not many. and this had the programmable electronic board in it, and we had to remove all that as we showed earlier in the video. And so we also had to install a tone generator IC board into the keypad area, and then we had to rewire everything the way we needed it wired to work the way we want it to work. So a little bit of everything has been gone through here, and we want to go ahead and ring the bell. We're going to do a couple of checks, and then we're going to take a break from the video, and we're going to finish up the final checkout. So I'll go ahead and ring the telephone. I'll let that go one more time. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And now we can hang up. Now we'll take a short break and put everything back together again, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and so we have put the cover back on, and we are ready to finish up some of our final checks. So what we're going to do is run some change through this unit, and I'm going to go ahead and start out with a quarter. I'm going to do a nickel. I'm going to do a dime. I'm going to do another nickel. I'm going to go ahead and do a quarter. And then I want to do another nickel and a dime. And so now all we have to do is take our cash box out, and then we can empty out the change. Now we do have the vault door, and we have our T key. So now what we can do is some of our final checks, and I'll go ahead and ring the unit. I'm going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. Give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, we'll walk through our numbers. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle when you get a call. It has receive, it has transmit, and it's dialing out. What we can do is, I have a switch box down here, and I'll press the button, and that'll totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Now, I want to tell you on this time and temp number, they're having problems with their equipment, so you'll hear the recording, and then you'll hear a hum, and that's on their end. It has nothing to do with what we're doing here. And this is the T key. We'll set it to the side, and that's what you would need to get into your body and into the vault area. And so we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll call that time and temp number.
Good morning. Today is Saturday, September 7th. The time is 11:13. Current temperature 97 degrees.
Mostly sunny today with highs in the 90s. Partly cloudy this evening. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, those around 70. Mostly cloudy on Sunday. Then becoming partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, highs in the lower 90s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Bill and he can start enjoying this telephone. This is a very cool AT&T single slot payphone, and I'm sure this telephone is going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.